In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Strava app. If you prefer a darker, easier on the eyes look while tracking your workouts, Strava now officially supports dark mode, and turning it on takes just a moment on both Android and iPhone. Start by opening the Strava app on your phone. Once you're in, look along the bottom menu and tap the tab labeled You. This is your personal area where settings and profile options live. In the top right corner of that screen, you'll see a small gear icon. That's the settings button. Go ahead and tap it to open your app settings. Inside settings, scroll until you find the section called Preferences. Under Preferences, tap Appearance. This is where Strava keeps the display options that control how the app looks. You'll see three choices. Phone default matches whatever theme your device is using, so if your phone switches to dark mode at night and back to light during the day, Strava will follow automatically. Light mode keeps everything bright and high contrast, which some people prefer in well-lit environments. And dark mode gives you that darker interface that's easier to look at in low light and can feel more comfortable during evening or early morning sessions. To turn on a consistently dark interface, select dark mode. As soon as you make that selection, the app will switch immediately. No extra confirmations or restarts needed. Take a moment to browse around after the change to make sure the text and maps look right for you. Many users find dark mode reduces glare and can be gentler on the eyes, especially when reviewing routes or checking stats in dim conditions. If you'd rather let your phone decide, choose phone default instead. With that option, Strava will automatically align with your device's dark or light setting without you having to change it again in the app. It's a set it and forget it approach that keeps everything consistent across your apps. Now, a quick tip in case you don't see the appearance menu or the dark mode option. Make sure your Strava app is up to date by visiting the Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone and installing any available updates. Some older versions may not include dark mode yet, so updating usually brings the setting into view. That's all there is to it. Open Strava, go to You, tap the settings gear, head to Appearance under Preferences, and choose Dark Mode. Enjoy your workouts with a cleaner, darker look.